So the final part about setting up CBFunnelPro is to configure the display of text and image ads so that it seamlessly integrates with your website. It doesn't stand out as an ad, but seems to be just part of the content of your web page or of your blog. So to accomplish this, we're going to go to the final settings section of the CBFunnel menu, which is display settings. So we're going to work our way from top to bottom. So the first section talks about choosing general ad placements. So you have the option of showing ads on your posts. They will always be shown on posts, but you also have the option of showing them on the home page, on search pages, and on pages in general. So you can determine whether you want the ads to show up on any of these other pages and turn them on or off using these checkboxes here. This is totally up to you, whether when somebody does a search, an ad will come up that has relevance to the search, or whether you simply want to display the search results alone. The other section is about selecting where and how ads can be shown. Now, as stated earlier on, you do have the option of displaying ads in 4 separate locations on your web page or on your post: header, widget, content, and footer. Now, this by no means suggests that you should use all of them or display all of them in the same way, but it all depends on the design of your website. So the idea is you do not want your web page to be cluttered with ads. You want it to be about the content, and you want your ads to seem like part of the discussion, leading your customer to the solution that you're providing for them. So you'll notice in each section there is a show text, show image, and show on mobile option. So for example, if you're using the header, you can decide, as we have decided here, just to show the text alone. Don't show an image in the header, and you can turn that on and off. Similarly, in the widget section on our web page, we have both text and image displayed. We have the content alone shown as an image, after the content just an image, and the footer again just text. But all of these are completely up to your control in terms of how you want your web page, your posts to look, and how much content, how much ad content you want to really display to your audience. The next selection you need to determine is how many results do you want the system to choose from. So what we mean by that is the system will always return at least 3 results, and the top 3. So, and these are sorted in order of relevance and gravity. The question is, do you want to always show the top 3, one of the top 3 in each position, or one of the top 2, or just the top result alone, or at every location? So these options here are totally up to you. It simply means that every time an ad is shown for a particular result, it will be one of 2, one of 3, or just one particular product will be displayed. What I would personally suggest is that you allow the system to work for a while, see which one of the results perform the best, and narrow the results down accordingly to be either one of 2 or just the top one. But again, these options are totally up to you. and totally up to the results you get after running ads for a while. So that's the results. Then the next section determines how the text ads are configured. So there is font size, currently 18, the font family. Now you'll observe there's the ads are displayed with a highlight line on top and bottom, a background color and a background hover color, and then there's a text color that's can also be set. So again, let's for example take the text color. So you click on the window, and let's say we want to make the text red. You save the display, and you'll notice now that the text in the preview window is red. And we can do that for all the other colors. We can make the hover color this color, and then when we hover over, we get that. So all of that is completely configurable. Let's ditch it back. Right. So those would be the settings that would determine how your ads are displayed, where they're displayed, and the settings, be it text, color. All of this is designed so that the text ads especially seamlessly integrate into your website.